Alright guys, here we are, double stack pop-up corn. Alright, let's release it. What's up YouTube? Top Tactic Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. We're back here at the carp stomping grounds doing a carp episode for you guys today. And it's a blistering windy day today. Winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, but we're in the 60s. Water temp is 44, 45 degrees. And just two rods out right now just because of how windy it is. And we got the incoming tide coming in, so high tide will be in a couple hours, and we're going to see if these carp are going to be feeding with the incoming tide. Last video you saw that we caught 5 in an hour on the outgoing tide, so curious to see how they're going to be biting with the incoming tide. Two rods, double stack of pop-up corn, and then the tiger nut tipped with a pop-up corn in the other. Probably going to throw a third rod out, not on the pod, but a little further away from these two rods just because of the wind and everything like that. So let's get to it. Stay tuned. It's hard to say. I mean, catfish, you get like a lot of head jerks. Might be a cat, I don't know, let's see. Yeah, there's a catfish. Yeah, there's a lot of cats in here. Yeah, probably 2.5, 2.5. It's not bad. Yeah. At least the skunk's off. Alright guys, this is Jeff. He's a follower of my channel and fellow carp angler. So he's out here for the first time, and hopefully he can get his first carp here of the year. So tide's coming in like I said, and now the sun is out, so hopefully no more rain. Hopefully that'll die down the winds a little bit too. And you may have a good one on.
I never know, but this feels like a good one.
Yeah. They get big in here, man. They get big.
Oh yeah, this is a good one for sure.
This could be your PB. What's your PB? 17, 18?
17.6.
Yeah, this could be a PB.
Yeah, still.
It's just swimming towards you. Alright.
Right now I'm really taking my time because you look disappointed when you...
Yeah, absolutely. Just tell people, ooh. That looked like a mirror almost. I can't tell. Let me see. Maybe. There you go. Alright. Yeah, it's probably like, maybe like 10. He's probably, I'd say like 11, 10 or 11. All right, 1, 2, 3. We'll do a horizontal one too. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Got you, brother. All right, man. Nice job. That's the first one. Whew. Man, it is windy. All right. Yeah, he looked like a common because he's really dark on the top and then more light on the bottom. I thought maybe it was like almost like a leather kind of looking carp.
Before he came in, he was,
yeah.
The weight is bigger.
That's teens for sure. That's a PB. Oh, yeah, he's... Okay, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Let me get one this way. Go ahead and stick it out a little bit. Go ahead and stick that fish, just push it forward a little bit. All right, 1, 2, 3. Got you, brother. Nice job. All right, Jeff with the 20-pound carp. How do you feel?
Fantastic.
Yeah, new PB, man. That's good.
Days prior to planning out the trip, coming through here, I was like 50-50,
Yeah.
Planning out, getting my hopes up. Don't get your hopes up, don't overthink it, because
we got a lot of people who've gotten PBs here.
I thought that, what was it? I thought you had your PB mirror at the other spot, though, the one where you took the nose dive and...
Oh no, that wasn't 28. That was like 20 pounds. That wasn't too far from here either, believe it or not. All right, man, still hoping for my first one. Let's see if I can get one. Yeah. I don't know, it's not, it might be a carp. It's not doing head jerks. But it's not really moving like a carp. It may be a cat. Hold on. Come on, baby, go ahead and surface. Come on. Main thing is you just gotta take your time with, yeah, he's not as big, but it's a carp. Yeah. I'm gonna try to bring him to you. You can just leave the net there, and what we'll do is I'll show you how this net works. This is the best part about this. Is you just let your rod, you can just drop the rod, and then this just kind of, and then what you can do is you can just kind of do it like this. Yeah. All right, guys, first carp for me. He's probably mid-teens. It's a nice one. It's just to the double stack of pop-up corn. He's very active. He'll let me pick him up. He's still, let me put some water over him. Yeah, I usually kind of, jeez, he is active. All right, guys, here we are, double stack pop-up corn. All right, let's release it. Yeah, I'd say mid-teens for that carp. I'll go with 15 and a half. All right, so now we got the outgoing tide. So that's where that carp came, on the outgoing tide. So, all right. Stick around a little bit longer. All right. Let's see, get that back out. Jeff with his, this is your third one.
Yep, third one.
Third carp. Yeah. Sorry, you got plenty of room still. Your line's over there, so you got room. Yeah, I think you're good still. There you go. Nice. How's he feel? Does he feel like the other one, or a little smaller, or bigger, or? Right around, yeah. The carp fight good, man. They fight good through here. I've had plenty of carp where they, even the smaller ones fight like just big fish. Let's see, man. Let's see what you got. Yeah, I think this is this little bit smaller one. Still a carp though.
Jeez.
Yeah. Tighten that drag a little bit. Yeah, I'll just tighten it a little bit. You'll be all right if you tighten it. Yeah. He's probably like, he might be 10. He's full of energy, man. This one's full of energy. He's like, no, I do not want to come home. He's like, he's like, I do not want to come to the bank. I want to go back home. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to get that. Actually, he might be teens. Yeah, he's teens. I remember looking at that rod. You good?
Yeah, that should be.
He's active. He might be the same one I caught. I don't know. All right. Try to stick him out a little bit. Just try to put the fish forward. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha, man. All right, guys. So we've caught 4 carp total, 3 catfish. Jeff catching 3 carp, me just the 1. I did lose a carp just now when I was netting his 3rd carp. My rod was beeping and I let it run too long, I think, and it got me into a snag. And it broke off, actually, so it's just part of fishing. Yeah, the outgoing tide's been a little bit better today. Usually this time of the year, the incoming tide does better, but just never know with these carp. So, uh-oh, there's a fish here. Something was moving. Uh-oh, here we go. I think it's a catfish. It's not really doing anything. Trying to make up its mind. Well, let's see. Let's just pick it up. Yep, there's a fish. All right. Can't tell if this is I think this is a catfish. Yeah, pretty sure this is a cat. I don't know. Sometimes these fish are really hard to tell. We're hooked up again. Can't tell if it's a carp or a cat, though. Might be a carp. I don't feel any head jerks. It didn't even beep either. I just saw the rod just bending, that's all. Yeah. Now he knows what's up. Now he knows what's up. Oh. Small. Yeah. But he wasn't really fighting until just now. Yep. I'm gonna try to see a little piling there to the right of you, right there about down below. Yeah, so I've had him get snagged in there before too, so I'm trying to move, because during low tide you'll see it's like a wooden platform. He's fighting pretty good at the bank for a small fish, gotta say. Oh brother, come on over here. He's feisty, man. This one's feisty. Oh, here you go. He's coming. Right there. Whoop. All right.